welcome back to another Ipsy unboxing. This one is for the December 2020 Glam Bag Plus, which is another fuzzy one, but this is like silky fuzzy. Now, I don't understand why they didn't do the base bag in whatever this is made of, because this feels like plush and luxurious. I would wear this as like a bathrobe if I could. It is just so bougie. I love it. So anyway, but also in this one, we got the first of the refreshments line, because that's like their new thing that they're offering. It's not technically part of the Glam Bag service, it's like a different side thing that they're just shipping together with it, that you can opt in if you want, you can opt out at any time, like, you know exactly what you're getting because you have to, like, pick the items to put in or take out, how often do you want them, that sort of thing. So there's only, like, 2 in this one. That seems to be, like, every month they add, like, a new item or 2 to the refreshments line. So it is what it is. It's a little bit spendy. It's not terrible, though. But, like, their whole, like, line of thinking is that, like, bathroom basics, like makeup cleansing wipes, hand lotion, body lotion, that sort of thing, shaving cream, stuff that you go through a lot of, like, you can set it to, like, auto-renew every so many months and it'll just send it to you, and it's like magic, poof, you're restocked. But I'm just, like, getting each item once, just to be able to see what it's like and review it for you guys. I don't think I'm gonna, like, opt in to, like, get any of them purchased more than once. I mean, I get so many things from the other beauty boxes, I don't really need to. Frankly, this is like just an extra thing that I'm being extra to opt into, but that's okay. So, somebody's gotta review it. So I'll show you that first. That's actually in a silky bag. However, much like most of the people that opted into refreshments that very first month of it existing, they fucked up the bag that they mailed it with. Because for the items they sent me with this, they left out 2 items from my actual Ipsy bag. And they were the 2 items I was looking most forward to. So it took almost 2 months to get them to send those replacements. Thankfully, with the January bag, knock wood, I think they ironed out those kinks. But the first month, yeah, it seemed like reading the Ipsy subreddit. This happened to most people that opted into it. Anyway, the bag itself is, like, really silky and nice, so it's very cool. I like that bag. It's got little butterflies on it and stuff. Just, it's very nice. So in here, first thing, we got the little, oh, we also have stickers! Oh shit, I didn't realize we had stickers. Oh, they're cute! Oh my goodness. Okay, so they're like holographic stickers. Okay. Show us how you get funky. Who doesn't love a little solo party? Share your proudest, quirkiest, glamorous me time moments with refreshment, or hashtag refreshment party. And you can follow them at my refreshments. I'm not going to, but whatever. So, refreshments. You're invited to a party for one. So, basically anything I do. Forever alone. Blink in your bathroom is stocked. Here's how your membership works. Relax, your refreshments are on the way. We'll ensure you're well stocked for your routine with your favorite superstar essentials, and from time to time we'll add some everyday extras for you to try. You're in control. Use hand cream more, face wipes less, update your recurring monthly orders by adding, removing, or skipping products before we bill you on the last day of each month on ipsy.com/refreshments. Refreshments will ship free every month with your Glam Bag. Get excited to get a little extra in your shipment. No strings attached. Need a break? You can skip products or cancel anytime. If you're not satisfied, email refreshments-support@ipsy.com. Make time to do nothing. Shower yourself with praise. Flirt with your reflection. Pay yourself a compliment. Thank yourself for an amazing night. I'm sorry, that last one made it sound like this is going somewhere else. I was like, did they just insinuate? I mean, you could, with the whole solo theme, but yes, I have a dirty fucking mind. Okay, so clearly I need clean things. Banish boring routines. I'm sorry, now I'm getting laughy over it. I'm bad, I'm sorry. Banish boring routines with extra clean face and body essentials. Oh my god, and the divider line is a Q-tip. That's cute. Sparkling clean ingredients, cruelty-free, 100% vegan, sensational scents. Read as 1 cent for everything. Luscious formulas, star performers, extraordinary value. You're a freshman super squad, reporting for beauty. Stop! It's so cringe. I realized somebody was paid to write this, and if I had been the one who wrote it, I'd probably be stupidly proud of myself feeling that clever, but as an outsider looking at it, I'm like, stop. If you haven't tried us all yet, there's new refreshments served monthly. Oh, so, like, they've actually got them all listed here. This is, like, what currently on their site you can all opt into. But the first month, when they sent this out, there was only, like, 2 things. They had, like, the cleansing face wipes. Member price $6, but they're for an $8 value. Bullshit. Just one biodegradable wipe. Removes grime and makeup without drying out your skin. No rinsing required. Luscious hand cream. Nourish skin, nails, and cuticles with quick absorbing hydration. $5 member price. $7 value. According to who? You can only buy it from here. Lux 5-blade razor. 5 blades in a soothing strip provide an extra close shave, helping prevent burns and bumps. 2 cartridges. $5 member price. $7 value. Pillowy shave cream. Creates a whipped creamy lather and softens hair for a smoother moisturizing shave. $6 price. $8 value. Velvety body cream. Long-lasting, quick-absorbing moisture keeps skin happy and hydrated from head to toe. $9 member price. $11 value. Pearly body wash. Luxurious, creamy body wash lathers generously, cleansing and moisturizing all at once. $9 member price. $11 value. Basically, is that going to be their whole line, or are they going to come out with more? Because now I'm, like, curious if that's it. That's not very exciting. So these are face wipes. I mean, there's 30, so that's not too bad. We can always use face wipes. Take it all off. You've never looked better. Again, like, they're theming. I swear, it's a double entendre. It's not just me. Alright, so anyway, we'll try those another day. I don't have anything on to test them with. And then the luxurious hand cream and citrus spritz, because that was literally all they had out yet when this first shipment went out. Oh, is there foil? There's foil. Okay, that's why I was like, I don't smell anything! Oh. Oh, that's why. I'm an idiot. Okay, well, we'll put these back in here for now. We'll play with those for another time. I have to work in a couple hours. I don't have time to put on makeup just to take it off, just to put it back on again. We ain't playing like that today, homie. It's not happening. Okay. So, we've got basically the same little card, except this time they didn't even give us the info. It just gave us beauty recipes to try to DIY. One for de-stressing your hair, one for brightening your skin. Anyway, it's like, well, if it's not going to give us info on the products, then I don't really need that. What do we have? Alright. The bizarre thing with this bag is that it sounds like there should be something else in there, but that's literally just the lining. It's crinkly, and I don't know why it's crinkly. Like, I even flipped it inside out to make sure. It's just like windbreaker material, and again, I don't know why. But it feels like if it were a teeny bit bigger, it could totally be a hat, but it's not quite big enough to get on my head, so clearly I have no life. Okay, so Tula Skincare, So Polished Exfoliating Sugar Scrub. So, there's that. It's a sugar scrub. What is there to say? When I get around to reviewing this, I'll read you the box. But frankly, we don't need to right now. But there's another probiotics thing where I'm like, oh god, is it gonna break me out like the last one did? I hope not. Because frankly, that sunscreen, my cheek is still angry. It's still angry. We have, from Chiate London, the Eye Luster Cream Eyeshadow in Cupid. This I'm excited to play with, because I've still not gotten brave enough to put on a liquid shadow, but look at this color. Just look at this color, guys. Frankly, it looks like it should be a lip gloss. I know. I agree. It's beautiful, though. I really hope it's going to apply nicely and stay on nicely and stuff. I don't know if one of my longer shifts is the day to play with this, when it could become a disaster, so I probably won't do it today, but man, I really want to try this. Color shifting pigments. Yeah, because on one angle it just looks pink. Another angle it looks gold. It's really pretty. Does it say how to use it? Using the doe foot, dot onto eyelid, and blend with fingertip. Achieve lust-worthy shadow in one swipe with Chiate London's Eye Luster Cream Shadow. Sorry, I'm an idiot. This metallic glitter hybrid adds iridescent color flipping and fallout-free shimmer. Oh, fallout-free, that'd be nice. Fallout-free shimmer in an instant. Use as a topper over eyeshadow or simply use alone for fuss-free glam fast. Man, let's test it on my hand anyway. I need to see this. No, also, whoa. Okay. Holy crap, look how reflective that is. That's badass. Okay. A little bit. Shoop. That is, like, super duper opaque. Okay. I see you. Wow. So then, blend. Yeah, I read that. There's no way that's closing again, is there? Motherfucker. Okay. Oh, okay, I got it to close. Alright. Wait. I still somehow got screwed out of one item. What the hell? Because 2 of these are the same item, I'm realizing now. One of them is what they sent with the replacement. That was not the correct one I was missing, though. And at this point, they are definitely not going to send another replacement, and I think it's been too long to even go on the website and see what the other item was I'm missing. That really sucks. That really sucks. So again, I'm really, really hoping that they get their shit together with the refreshments thing so that doesn't happen more. Ooh, okay. So, if you just leave it alone, it stays pinkish, but if you, like, swatch it out, it definitely just goes, like, straight up a glitter. I'm like, ooh, that is pretty. Although, this glitter is shifting around an awful lot, so hold on. I'm gonna go wash this off my hands. Okay. On the plus side, it washes off nice and easily, so if I do put it on, at least it won't be a pain in the ass to get all the glitter off, because, yeah, I was really worried, but no, it came off very easily, but, that is such a bummer, because they are indeed the same shade and everything. Oh, now I know what it was that they didn't send. There was, like, a single eyeshadow that they did not send. And I'm like, oh, I would have really liked to have gotten that, but, oh well. That also is ironic. That means everything in this box was going to be eye-themed. Wait. So, 1, 2, 3. That means I'm still fucking missing 2 items. Motherfuckers. Really, right now? Really? Now I think I'm understanding why they sent all of those mystery packages. That was probably their, oops, we're sorry, please don't cancel. We know we done fucked up. Yeah, you did, but alright. Because they sent all of those. I'll accept the apology. Okay, so this is the real her. Like an eye, am amazing 24-hour eyeliner in, I'm assuming black, because it's black on the end. Does it say? It literally does not say, so I'm just gonna assume it's black. It's probably black. Ooh! Okay. That's cool. Yeah, it's black. Okay. Does that come off? Is it like a little sharpener? Please be a little sharpener. It is! Fuck yeah! Okay, that makes me happy. Okay, that helps make up for my disappointment on the others that, yes, it comes with a sharpener. Fuck yes, thank you! You have no idea. You have no idea how badly I've been wanting the little retractable eyeliner pencils with sharpeners. Other companies, take note. Start doing this. We want this. We want this on all of them. On all the brands. All of the time. On every pencil. Like, please and thank you. Pretty sure everyone here would co-sign on that. But yes. that is a thing. I'm very glad that that's a thing. Fat sharpener. Now I've got a couple that have that, so that helps make up for some of my disappointment. So I guess the only other thing I have to show, since they screwed me out of 2 items, is the Wander Beauty Wondrous Rush palette. I think this only has like 6 shades in it, but there's my... Okay, there's the box cutter so I can get through the tape. I'll try on this side very carefully. If anyone from work is watching, no, I did not steal this from work. I have my own. They sell these on Amazon. It's $6. Can buy it in red too, for that matter. I had it long before I ever got hired there, so. Anyway. So. Oh, this isn't even the palette I was thinking of. This is actually better. Okay. So here's the colors. Oh, those are actually really nice. I'm really, like, into that metallic pink at the top. So the color is called Charge, Blitz, OTW. What's OTW? Oh, On the Way. Hustle, Avenue, and Swift. Okay, that's pretty cool. And of course, now I'm over here looking for it. Does it have the usual warnings about not for use in eye area? Skyscrapers and city lights, nothing quite compares to the rush of the big city. These 6 rich, crease-proof, and fade-proof shadows take you from sightseeing by day to late night adventures. Why do I keep trying to say late night afternoons? That doesn't even make sense, self. Late night adventures, never knowing where you'll end up next. Pretty cool. Alright. So those will be fun to play with, especially those 2 in the middle. Really looking forward to that. So I guess that's all there is to share for this one. I mean, I guess at least there was the refreshments thing to pad this out a little further, but it's because of the refreshments thing I didn't get all my things. So I'm still butthurt, not gonna lie, but I did get hella shit for free from Ipsy out of nowhere. So I mean, I can only bitch so hard, so... Alright. Guess that wraps this one up. So as usual, you know what to do. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a like. If you're not already and you'd like to be, click subscribe, hit that notification bell icon so you never miss an upload. Leave comments down below. Make sure you're following my social media accounts, my Facebook fan page, Twitter, Instagram, everything and more. It's all down below. And if you like what I do here on this channel and you'd like to help support it, the donation link, as always, is down in the description. Get your name on the end card for a month from the time of donating. Anyway, guys, till next time, bye-bye.